Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we divide both sides by dx. Next, we see that we have x to the power of 3, x squared y to the power of 3. So they are degree number 3. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First derivative of s, we have v because this is about number 1, and that is about the product rule of derivative. Now we need to change y into vs. This one we change by this one. So this one we have vs to the power of 3. This one we have v to the power of 3, s to the power of 3. Next, we simplify s to the power of 3 for the both sides. Now we need to open parentheses. And this one we have negative v, positive v to the power of 3. Later that we simplify this one. Next, about this one I will put on the right. Next, so I will put this one go to the left, dx and s go to the right. Next, about this one we have v to the power of negative number 3 dv. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have v to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and then I will put about c. This one we have negative number 2, negative number 2. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And later that we need to change v into this one. Now we have the conditions in here. When s equals to e, so y equals to e. And now we put e and e in here to find the value of c. So this one we have negative 1 over 2 equals to negative number 1 plus c. And now I will put negative number 1 go to the left. So c equals to 1 over 2. And now I will put 1 over 2 go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.